I'm Holly with Boom Collaboration at InfoComm in sunny Las Vegas, and I'm going to show you our Halo video bar. So this is a really great video bar that covers medium to even large size conference rooms. It's a power horse. You've got a 4K camera with a 10x EPTZ. It's got an automatic privacy shutter, so whenever you turn off that camera in your Teams or Zoom app, the privacy shutter is going to close automatically, which is a nice feature. You've got 6 beam-forming microphones in there with a 6-meter lossless range and dual 10-watt speakers. So really nice, powerful, great quality built in. You've got auto framing and speaker tracking in this as well, or you can manually adjust it, pan, tilt, zoom, and set your presets with the remote control if preferred. Lots of settings so you can customize the picture just to your liking, and then you can also add additional microphones to this unit. You can pop 2 of these mics on the table there to really extend the coverage for your space. If you want to learn more about the Halo or any of our other room situations, check it out on our website at boom.co, that's boom.co.